All right, folks, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today is February 22nd, 2022. We'll be doing the 3D market commentary for today. One second, please. The disclaimer is there for your use, your protection, your understanding as we're getting started for this session. Please make sure to read it. This is for instructional and educational purposes only. Now that we got that out of the way, we'll be doing the 3D market commentary today. And of course, today is 2/22/22, a fun day, to say the least. Let's go ahead and get started with the 3D commentary. So, this is the 3D approach. We call it a 3D commentary because we take a 3D approach. Key elements that determine what that 3D approach are the following. We're looking at the market climate, also shown as the indicator down below here. That's given us the perspective, short or long opportunities, whether we should be looking to go long or short. The buy and sell UFOs, the proprietary and patented technology that we utilize here on this channel for upcoming turning points, meaning for entries or for exits. And then, of course, the market volatility, upcoming market price change speed, and of course, that adjusts our risk to reward ratio. We're combining these statistical elements to give you a more realistic and objective approach when it comes to trading, investing, or hedging. So, without much further ado, let's go ahead and look at the market comment summary for the S&P 500, the first instrument on our list here. Oh, not what I meant to do. So, as you see here, we do have a confirmed down climate, the second one out of typically three, also shown here on the market commentary. Second one confirmed out of three, two out of three. Um, Sell UFOs up above here, 44.2275 to 44.8450. Buy UFO down below, 41.23 to 40.5550. So currently prices in between these levels, testing out these lows over here. We're going to see if they're going to hold around this, 42 to 4300 area. Based on the VIX, though, we are in elevated territory, and given what's going on in the world, this will be an elevated volatility time, regardless of the situation. So now, if you're looking to educate yourself, we do offer futures, stocks, forex, backtesting, trading plans, and trading technology courses. You can browse and register for a course using this link here. Uh, Key thing to mention is that the fact that a 3-month complimentary access to auto UFOs and auto climate is included with any one of the courses you purchase. I think that in itself is a great deal. Definitely check it out and let us know what you think. The next market that we're going to look at is crude oil. Crude oil is in extremely volatile territory right now, currently in an unconfirmed climate, as you see. Um, we do only have a buy UFO down below at 80.47 to 77.83. Crude oil has been swinging up and down as, if I'm reading this correctly, that Russian troops are in Ukraine as of this recording. Of course, don't quote me on this, but from the initial news flash that I saw myself in the news, it appears to be the case. So extremely volatile crude oil as of this morning, as you see, up 3%, 2.73. OVX is at 52.01%, extremely volatile. Nonetheless, even before today, crude has been on a massive rally. Did pull back a little bit down here as we see it, but nothing out of the ordinary. And now it's already testing that high again around the 94 area. Now, if we need the auto UFOs, it is available for TradingView, TradeStation, and MetaTrader. That is our app here that we utilize. You can use this link here to subscribe to any of those apps. It does come with a monthly or yearly membership. And of course, if you need to contact me or utilize my link, it's right there for your information. It's tradewithufos.com/Boyan. Um, which leads us to this next topic here, which is if you do need coaching or support, we do have daily live trading sessions compatible with all time zones. You can use this link to sign up for an all asset advanced coaching here. Um, Apart from those sessions that we have that are available for every time zone, we do have coaching sessions that you can do with any one of the instructors in our channel one on one. All right. Did we skip gold? I'm sorry. I think we skipped gold accidentally. I'm sorry about that, folks. Uh, let's go ahead and go over gold real quick. So, as things are getting elevated volatility, gold seems to be the place where people are. Oops, and that was not what I meant to do. Sorry about that. And there we are. Sorry about that, folks. So, gold has been moving up lately. A little bit of indecision for it today. As we see here, it is currently in a 10th day up out of typically 7. As you see here as well, 10th day up out of typically 7 on a confirmed up climate. Buy UFO down below 1815.8 to 1788.5. Sell UFO up above at 1938.4 to 1962. 5, looking at 18.54% volatility on gold. Gold looks like it may finally be breaking out of this range that it has been for some time now that we've been talking about. Um, of course, we don't quite know yet, but we've seen gold be kind of stuck in this range with just a few outliers that it came out of. So we had these two, but now it looks like it's finally breaking out of that. It'll most likely try to test these highs up here, but then kind of the perfect trap would be the UFO up above. At least that's how I would look at it. All right, now, as I mentioned earlier, we do have coaching and support available, so you're welcome to uh, click on this link here to sign up for all asset advanced coaching. All right, looking at the dollar next. Not a whole lot of movement on the dollar, kind of unexpected, or maybe it's just a calm before the storm. Currently in an up climate, confirmed the second one out of 5. We are looking at, excuse me, we are looking at a sell UFO of 97.44 to 97.05, a buy UFO of 94.645, 93.865. Down below, based on EVZ 7.58%, daily expected move 0.46, which has already been achieved, I believe. Not quite, I guess. 96 to 25, so 95.83. Almost there. Almost there. Okay. Now, if you don't want to read this overview in your inbox, you're more than welcome to join us here on YouTube, where we broadcast it daily. My colleague Becky and I go over this 3D market commentary every day that the market is open. And of course, you can use that same link to catch up to with any missed commentaries for our playlist, see how things played out, for example. All right. Now we have Bitcoin next. So Bitcoin currently in a down climate for 3 consecutive days. Buy UFOs are down below here, 32,820 to 31,615. Sell UFO up above 43,600 to 44,440. Sorry about that. Market volatility, of course, elevated on Bitcoin as usual. $2,500 moves, not atypical to see on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been, has fallen quite hard from its all-time highs, a little bit less than half that it has halved from the 69,000 area. It looked like it was going to be, making a breakout move from here. It's currently retesting that same exact area. It's going to be interesting if we are going to see this area here hold on Bitcoin, where it broke out of this downtrend line. But again, this is something that is, extremely subjective. What is objective is the fact that we have an obstacle here, an obstacle here for the upside, and we have an obstacle here and an obstacle here for the downside. All right, now if you want to be a top trader, where you would be a trading utilizing our very own platform top, which is the Predictive Options Planner, which is a broker agnostic platform and can be used to trade all assets. You can click here to learn more and subscribe. All right. Last but not least is the news. While we do have some, impactful news, what I meant to do here. While we do have some impactful news for this entire week, um, which is so wow, it's even a holiday today in Russia. I did not know that. Again, 2/22/22 is today, and of course that's the day that it appears that Russian troops are in Ukraine as of right now. Monetary policy statement in New Zealand, interest rate decision, rate statements in New Zealand, so that's going to affect the New Zealand dollar. Monetary policy hearings for Bank of England. GDP annualized comes out on Thursday for the US, retail sales Q4 for New Zealand. A speech by the ECB's president, durable good orders, non defense capitals, orders excluding aircraft for the US, and retail sales on Sunday for the Aussie. Couple holidays as well: Japan, Emperor's birthday, Carnival in Argentina, and of course, defense of the fatherland for Russia. All right, folks, that's that for today. Again, my link is going to flash down here below, tradewithufos.com/Bojan. Please feel free to use that link to ask any questions, or if you want to sign up with any of the instruments that I've shown here for you, feel free to use that. And then, of course, if you want to shoot me a quick email, bojan@tradictive.com is my email. Feel free to go ahead and do that at your convenience. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will catch you next time. Take care. Bye bye.